Okay, so this is speedrun of Double Cherry Pass, and we're gonna do another one a bit later. I'm expecting this one was really easy because we can just bounce on like those guys, the Galoombas and all the other guys. The Fire Bro has been my worst enemy, but now I've gotten good at defeating him. We don't really need those two-piece switches up back there because they just spawn a green star or something, and we don't really need that because we're speed running this, and if you're speed running you usually don't get the green stars. Here's my worst enemy, the fiber. Yeah. It's so funny that the pipe just spawns below me. And I'll be getting the top of the goal pole on this one because I remember like I did like a jump and a dive. I said that in one of my previous videos. 52 seconds, not a bad time. So this is the next one. It's gonna be really rolling hills. I'm a bit excited about this one because it's one of my favorite levels of the whole entire game. And it's also really easy. Like, I know it's hard to speed run sometimes because there are a lot of Galoombas at this spot, but you can actually just run straight forward and dodge them. Oh man, I did get the checkpoint flag. That's bad. Underground, here we are. Wait, why do I keep sliding to the side? Like, every time when I try to record this, like, I keep sliding to the side when, like, I'm literally not even holding over to that side. And I'll be getting the top of the goal pole on this one, same time as the other one. I might get a different record, I'm not really sure. "54 seconds, not a bad time."